200 mangoes are purchased for rupees 600. If one wants to gain 33.33% as profit, then what should be the selling price of 1 dozen of mangoes? Now, 200 mangoes are purchased for rupees 600. That means the cost price of one mango is rupees 3. So, the cost price of 1 dozen mangoes becomes 12 threes are, that is 36. Now, we have been given 33.33% as profit. Now, if we want to find out the selling price, the formula for selling price is cost price into multiply. Now, remember this formula you can use if you are given profit percentage or loss percentage. Now, in this case, you are given 33.33% as profit. So therefore, multiplier becomes 1 plus the fraction equivalent of 33.33 is 1 by 3. So therefore, it becomes 1 plus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3. Now, because it is percentage profit, that's why this plus sign is there. Okay. Now let's substitute this 4 by 3 in the formula. So selling price of 1 dozen mangoes comes out to be 36 multiplied by 4 by 3. So therefore 3 into 12, 12 fours are 48. So that's our answer.